Hi, my name is Brady Anderson. Thank you for ordering the pizza kits with the soup group this week. Today I'm going to be demonstrating two pizza kits, the pepperoni and the veggie. And inside the pizza kits you'll get your dough, sauce, cheese, pepperoni. First thing you're going to want to do is unravel your pizza. Make sure you get flour under your pizza so it doesn't stick to the floor. You want to flatten it out so you get every single piece of air out of the dough. You're going to want to try to get your pizza as round as can be. Then when you get it kind of round, you can hang it from your hands. It'll bring it down by the weight of the dough. Now when you got your pizza all rolled out, you're going to want to grab your pan. Spray that down. Throw your pizza on. This is optional, but you can pinch the sides to make a little bit of a crust. Then you're going to grab your sauce. Then you start putting your toppings on your pizza. The trick is when you're making a pizza, you want every topping in every bite. So you're going to put it in the oven at 425 for 15 minutes. That's for both pizzas, the pepperoni, cheese, barbecue, and the veggie. Thank you again for ordering the pizza, guys. Enjoy.